Are deep wrangular wheel spacers safe? Countless successful cases prove that the deep wheel spacers are safe on a wrangler. Deep wrangular wheel spacers have its thick and have been widely used for decades. When the lug nuts are properly tightened, a clamping process will keep the wheel and spacer secure to the corresponding hub assembly. This allows all forces to be transmitted to each vehicle hub and in corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, quality deep wrangular wheel spacers won't break easily. Always stick to hub-centric deep wrangular wheel spacers because hub-centric wheel spacers simple surface as an extension of the original wheel hub surface. The hub-to-wheel connection doesn't change. This reduces the chance of wheel vibration. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no concerns, who makes the safest forged deep wrangular spacers. Both forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum deep wrangular wheel spacers are available in bonus stock. After the premium forging process, the strength is greatly improved. The deep wrangular wheel spacers benefit from high precision. So far, Bonus has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more precise the contact fit is, the easily they can sit first up against the vehicle hub and wheel, and the less chance of vibration. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the deep wrangular wheel spacers and wheel. If the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be backed by road impact. The provided wheel studs of Bonus forged FP Cooling deep wrangular wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM 4.0 alloy steel. With higher strength, Bonus forged FP Cooling deep wrangular wheel spacers can steer more forces without breaking. Safety, precision, durability, and the best experience are what set apart Bonus from other spacer manufacturers. In addition, Bonus forged FP Cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. If you are going to install the wheel spacers on your deep wrangular wheel spacers, look no further than Bonus.